Let's explore some proportions using unit rates. Alright, we're given a problem. 2 dogs have 8 legs. How many legs are on 3 dogs? Let's start out by labeling the headings on the charts and the graph. So we start looking at, we're comparing dogs and legs. On the x-axis, we're going to label dogs. And on the x-axis of the graph, we're going to label dogs. And on the y, we're going to be talking about legs. It gives us that 2 dogs have 8 legs. From there, let's figure out the unit rate. We'll extend the unit rate to solve the problem. So let's look at the relationship given between 2 dogs and 1 dog. To go from 2 to 1, you would divide by 2. Let's do the same thing with the legs. 8 divided by 2, 4. Copy the unit rate, 4 legs for 1 dog, and we're going to extend this to figure out the number of legs on 3 dogs. Again, make a relationship with dogs going from 1 to 3. How do we do that? Well, you're going to multiply by 3. Let's multiply the number of legs, 4, by 3, which will give us 12. Let's fill in the same information into the XY chart. That'll help us graph. The unit rate is for every 1 dog, there are 4 legs. For 2 dogs, 8 legs. For 3 dogs, 12 legs. Now we can graph that information. Start at the origin. We're going to first start with the unit rate. For 1 dog, we're going to go up 4. 4 legs for that 1 dog. Now, we look at 2 dogs, moving here to 2, and we're going to go up 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 legs on 2 dogs. And for 3 dogs, let's go up 12. 5, 10, 11, 12. We connect that, we see that it makes a line. That's the function of legs to dogs. And you could use that to predict large number of legs or large number of dogs and how the legs react to the dogs. Okay, now let's start looking at birds. Let's do the same thing. It's given 2 birds have 4 legs. So we've got, again, legs, and then this time the animal is birds. We're going to make the graph on the same grid system. Given information says that there are 4 legs on 2 birds. Let's find the unit rate. So going from 2 to 1 bird, we divide by 2. Let's divide the 4 by 2, and we'll get 2. Copy that unit rate of 2 legs for 1 bird, and let's extend that to find the number of legs on 5 birds. Making a relationship among birds, 1 times 5 gives us 5 birds, so multiply those legs by 5 and we'll get 10. Let's get that information in this XY chart. Again, we're going to be comparing birds to legs. The given information, 2 birds, 4 legs. The unit rate we found was for every 1 bird we have 2 legs. And the solution to the problem, how many legs are on 5 birds, and we determined that there would be 10. Let's graph that information in blue. So for 1 bird, we'll get 2. For 2 birds, we'll get 4. And for 5 birds, we'll get 10. So that shows another proportional relationship. You'll notice it plots a straight line because that relationship rings true as long as you're looking at the same type of animal. For every 1 bird, there will be 2 legs.